it's my birthday month.
Now fight no girl. Chat about me, I want them. Tell them this. I chat about me, I want them. Tell them. Chat about me, I want them. Tell them this. I real Shen Yang anthem. No girl can't see me as a problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat about me, I want them. Tell them this. I real Shen Yang.
And in order for me to be the best and the baddest, we are walking. So we are currently at Hoyt Lake, getting a nice little walk in. Girl, we birds. Right. All right, y'all know the deal. New month, same goes. I'm getting my natural hair done for the day. Some cornrows back. Cute. Been up on my schedule to the best of my ability. We are, yes. We are going to Chanel's. Wow, I look like a glazed donut. Chanel's birthday event. Here is the face. I tried to put as much setting spray on here as possible because I knew it was going to be hot. And I feel like I'm glowing. So hopefully by the time we get there, we can get some pictures and some videos. And yeah. Here he is. We made it to the party. Happy birthday. The goal is to be 25 and fine. So let's go and link up with the Walk Run Club for my 6th workout of the week. Yeah, your girl has been putting the pedal to the metal when it comes to this workout stuff. I only took off on Friday to give myself a rest day because I've been going at it straight with my walks around the lake, and then of course reps and set X Pilates on Saturdays. But the body is bodying, so let's keep it up. And if you needed some motivation, here it is. Let's go walk. Yeah, we are home for the weekend and we had to do our first stop. Tell YouTube what you're eating.
YouTube? White tea?
Anyways, yeah, we're going to have some bagels from Bagel Boss and some matcha from UTW. Classic Long Island spread.
The place was mad. They had mad options. It was presentable.
Lovely.
You know what I'm saying? They got a whole bunch of shit. Tuna, salad, broccoli salad, macaroni salad, salad for your mother. They had mad salad, bro. That's it. Good, man. That's fun.
Let's see what else we get into while we're on the island.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my mom surprised me with some balloons on our little spa date, and I'm literally like screaming. But please, that was the best spa facial, oh my god, foot massage in the world. I am elated. I had so much fun. Congratulations with me. We eating some beef patty. Y'all know the work don't stop. We are currently taking a little walk around the park for our lap, but we are actually at a family event, little barbecue in Baisley Pond Park, which this is my first time. I've never been, so this is super fun. And yes, cheers to 25, finding me in the best body, best shape possible, period. Y'all, the birthday maintenance has commenced. I just finished getting my hair done. Y'all can't see it because in this jacket, I thought it was raining out here, but it came out so cutie. And I'm obsessed. Please, this is my last reps and sets X Pilates before I turn 25. Yeah, I'm about to go put my pain into this workout. We were home last week, so I didn't get to work out in the way that I wanted to. We still did like some walking around and stuff, but this is about to be good and get me right together to be in that hot birthday outfit. So let's go work out. It's really time to turn me up. T-minus 7 days. It's my birthday, so let's continue to move our bodies. We're going to Lulu's dance class, and I got on my little athletic skirt. How cute is that? Live performance by my queen. Yes! Woo! Y'all, my birthday's this week, and if y'all remember anything from last year, I love a good little gift to my friends who are coming to celebrate my birthday. So let's go see what we can find. I already bought them Pilates socks because I'm doing Pilates for my birthday. Two of my friends aren't coming to Pilates, they're just coming to brunch. So I also got to figure out what to gift them because that doesn't really match. So let's see. I'm coming on here to tell y'all that I am so thankful to God for calming my spirit, because I am currently here for what was supposed to be my 10 o'clock facial. It's now 10:28. The girl texted me and told me that she thought that we were booked for 10:30, and I'm just sitting here patiently. Just woosah. But like every year, like, this is not an I Hate Buffalo rant, but like every year, somebody is like not gonna be ready for me. Every year. Every single year. So at this point, I'm just like, bro, if I called my mom and told her this, she would have told me to go back to my house. But I already like woke up. So I think I'm like even more annoyed about that. Like, if you was about to be playing, girl, you could have just canceled this appointment and I would have seen it when I woke up and I would have just went back to sleep. Like, this is so annoying. Anyways, y'all, I'm back at my house. Like, I was really trying to give my girl the benefit of the doubt, but once 10:30 came and she wasn't there and it was 31, 32, 33, yeah, no. Because I've already been waiting there 30 minutes. So we are gonna go back and lay down and restart the day. I have another appointment for a permanent jewelry, or like a permanent anklet from a permanent jewelry place. I can't talk. So yes, I will see y'all then. Okay, it is time for my second appointment. Not so much maintenance. I'm actually getting a piece done, a permanent jewelry piece, and I'm getting an anklet. I'm super excited. Please, yeah, I'm getting ready to get a massage, and I know my girl is about to get me so good together. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Happy birthday week to the queen. Child, I ain't never done this much work before in my life. I hope y'all enjoy. Whew. So we're taking out the water bottles now. The labels are these the same size? Am I gonna be alive? And then cutting these out to put them on there.
Be ready for me.
We are. I'm gonna keep this one. Today, I feel like the real transformation is on the way. I'm going to get my lashes done. I'm trying a lash style that I've never done before, but obviously with the same lash tech, so I'm super excited about that. But I don't know, I feel like lashes always change my face. Not dramatically, but enough. So now I feel like it's gonna be looking like it's my birthday. And I typically wear lashes like twice a year, if that. So I'm excited. Yeah, my lashes are done. The wind is blowing, so I need to let go slow. But my lashes are done. I'm heading to Marshall's now to pick up, I really want to get like some new bed sheets. I want to get some new shower rings because the ones that we have are just giving me a hard time and making it like difficult when I want to change the sheet, or not the sheet, the curtains in the bathroom, and then whatever else Marshalls tells me that I need, you know? So let's do that. All right, y'all, my nails are done. I'm going to go pick up my birthday gifts from Ulta and Sephora now, but we're really like chilling. I feel so good. I am so excited for my birthday. Please, I'm literally having the time of my life. Like literally XOXO Jess. One last time, my last workout as a 24-year-old, we're doing some Pilates in the park. Let me see if I can find this girl now. We're on our way to my pre-birthday party. Hurry me up by 12 o'clock and let's hope I'm not crying. But then, my last little video is 24. I'll see y'all at 25. Yeah, I didn't even tell y'all, it's my birthday. Josh has me in Canada in this little cute little place. As you can see the view of the falls. Period. Shout out to the best man ever. And happy birthday to the queen.
They don't themselves, man. You know who you are.
Oh, this flash. Oh my God.
All right. Did you pick it up?
I had to start off my new year in the church always. So let's go to Sunday worship. On our way to Cannes for our last hurrah of the birthday weekend.
Oh shit! Why does everything big go dumb?
At the maple with everything, no, maple with onion and chive cream cheese. Both of these bagels were free. One of them was supposed to be a birthday review, and I love when people don't give a fuck about their job, because me either, period. We just left Atomic 10, which is this little like cutie Mexican spot, and now we are headed to the bar / a World Cup watch party. Not for me, but for the man. And hanging out for the night.
Sir.
This was the best 36 hours of my life. I cannot believe this.
I guess that's the weekend of my life.
Oh, period. All right, y'all. We're headed to what Josh is claiming to be the best matcha in Canada. So let's see what he got for me. See what snack he conjured up. Whew.
Yes, sir.
It's like hot.
Nah, OD. Feels like a furnace also.
Right. All right, y'all.